So this is the shoe unboxing of my Supra Belays. I got these shoes from Shoe Metro. Sorry about that. Shoe Metro. They're a nice site. They have pretty cheap Supras, I have to say. You can find discount codes out there for them, but I'd rather recommend Plunder, plndr.com. So let me open this up. Let me set this down. Supras. It's a little bit tattered up. Mostly because it's been in this packaging, I have to say. Shoe Metro. So let's get into the shoe. It's a Supra NS box. These are usually in gray or white. They usually have a size thing on the bottom. The Puma sizes are a little bit better because they do it according to objects. But this is nice. Here's the information. Size 10, black, belay. And it's a US 10. It's going to be in black and gray full grain. Let's open this up. This is my first time opening this. So I got it for $23.99. It was really cheap. I actually paid $21.87 I think for this with some discounts. So that included shipping as well. So that was nice. So let's open this up. There's one of them. Comes with an extra pair of laces. Supra. It's a bit tattered up. I guess they had this at the outlet store or something. Here's the other one. That's about it. And then Supra tag. I guess they just attach it over here. They have this little strap. It's this full grain leather, if you can see that. The wrinkle. Then here's some suede. I have to say it's pretty high quality. The sole, I wish it was a little bit brighter, but it's this cream gray color, I guess. It's like the color of your latte, or the milk that comes on top of like Starbucks coffee. It's a same colored sole. It's a Supra crown, Supra box on back. This is the NS style. A little tag right here. And then here are the laces. Let me take this out. It has some support right here. And here's the little Supra sign. Other one's the same. You can have it right there and have the laces on top. You can take the laces out actually. I'm not sure how I'm going to wear them. Let's see what the extra pair of laces I like. There we go. We got a pair of white laces. They're like grayish color, they match this. So yeah. These are not wax laces like usually Supra gives. These are tubed laces. They're nice. Here's the little Supra NS logo on the bottom. See that? There we go. I'm gonna take it out to see if it has Supra foam. Okay. It is actually glued in here. It seems really comfy, I guess. I was pushing on the sides and it has nice comfort. And yeah. This is an unboxing of the Supra Belays. Black full grain and suede. And size 10.